guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony and I'm Erica, and today's video we're following up on our Q&A with our hairdresser Lesia. If you haven't seen it, go check it out after this video. We'll have it linked up here, down below at the end of the video. Yeah, it's very good and very informative, so go see that. But yeah, we've been getting a lot of questions. There was one question asked about how to find a good salon to do your hair, or even have good salon service or good salon results for your hair, because a lot of people are looking for salons, you know, to go to get their hair extra TLC, and a lot of people don't know like the tips on how to find one. Not everybody can do black women's hair because of the range of textures, just the whole magic that black women's hair have. So we've been lucky enough to have Lesia, who is our hairstylist here in LA. She's been doing our hair for 5 years now. We were living in New York 5 years prior to that. We lived in New York for 2 years. We had Allyn. And then Virginia, our home state, we had, it was Q Salon. I'm not sure, actually I'm not sure of the salon name, but we will have everything. It was called Q Salon. Yeah. But I don't know, I think it's changed now. Yeah, we'll have everything linked below if you are in any of those states. So yeah, just check below in the description box. So yeah, we're just gonna give you guys some tips and hacks that we have used, or that we know that can work for you guys, you know, to help you find, you know, that salon, to get that salon results and everything, or that go-to hairdresser that we have and stuff. So just in case your hair needs some extra TLC. So yeah, let's get on into the video. Alright, so this app is called SWIVEL. We've actually mentioned SWIVEL before in one of our videos, but it's an app directly catered to black women and their different hair textures, and it helps them find salons or salon service that can come to them. They have mobile stylists as well. And what you do is you download the SWIVEL Beauty app and you choose a stylist based on what you need done to your hair type, and all of these salons will pop up for you to look through their ratings and reviews. They even have stylists that are mobile and can come to you. Now the downside of it is that it is located only in New York. They're serving New York and the Washington DC area. So yeah, that sucks. But if you're in those areas, then check it out. And the next one, it's not really an app, I thought it was, but it's actually something you can book through your computer, your laptop, or like on your phone. Just go to the website. It's called We Are Yalushi. And what they do, it's an online service app that allows mobile stylists to come to you for protective styles. So braids, cornrows, box braids, weave installs, weave removals and stuff. Now those type of deals, it's hard trying to find somebody to do that anyway. The right way. Yeah, but trying to find somebody who does it well is even harder. So that website has stylists that can actually specialize in that, and so you can book them to come to your home and to put those braids in and stuff. You can buy the hair and they'll just put the braids in. They're really good. The only downside, once again, with them is they are in New York, but like Erica said, we did read that they're looking to expand. Both these apps are looking to expand soon, so hopefully we can use them. Also, if you're in New York, we did mention Allyn, our stylist, when we were living there. He was doing our hair and kept it all nice and everything. He actually has his own salon now. It's called the Antoine Salon. Yeah, it's really cool. He had a picture of it on Instagram and stuff, so go check it out. I think it's on Broadway. We'll have, like I said, we'll have all the information down below. So if y'all are in New York, you already know that Allyn he's good. So go see him, and yeah, and then check out those two apps if you like. Alright, the next thing to do is to people watch. I know it sounds weird, but you'd be surprised what happens when you put the phone down. And it actually works. If you see somebody, like if you're at the mall or something, you got a neighbor, you're walking down the street or something like that, you see somebody's hair you like, just like go up to them, you know, introduce yourself, compliment them, compliment their hair, and then ask them, you know, who does your hair? Because you know, that's kind of like what happened with us when we were here, when we first moved to LA. I don't know if we told this story a couple of times, but we were subleasing from this girl, her apartment, and yeah, she had really, really nice hair. Her hair was always, you know, looking very well kept. And we didn't have a salon rep when we came here, so we were like, hey, who does your hair? And she told us, and it was Lesia. So like I said, we've been going to Lesia ever since. And even in New York, our friend, she told us about Allyn, and then we were in Virginia, it was our coworker and stuff. Yeah, it was all about anybody. Yeah, just, you know, go up and ask them, you know. We sound like matchmakers. It could be anything, like if you see somebody with nice braids, nice locks, just go up to them and ask them, and it actually really does work. Alright, next are hashtags. I mean, you guys know what hashtags are. I mean, there's a little, you put the pound sign and then put it in social media, but it works better on Instagram because you get to see pictures. But location hashtags are important because what you do is you put in, say for Virginia, the search part of Instagram, you can put in hashtag like Virginia hair salons. Just get very creative with your hashtags and make sure you put the location that you're at. And then what will happen is these salons or these pictures, these videos will pop up of, you know, hair services and stuff like that. So I did that with, Virginia, just to see and stuff. And some stuff did pop up, and if you see anything you like, just click on it and stuff, and you'll see they're in your area or close by to you. And yeah, it just makes it easier to find someone, that you may like. Just go in for like a consultation or something. So definitely try location hashtags. Just be creative and make sure you put the location. Yeah, I think social media is great because you can see videos now on Instagram, and then you have the swipe features. You can see more than one hairstyle on one post and stuff. So yeah, definitely use the hashtags. Those really work. All right, so following up on the last hack, if you find something in your state but it's not like close to you, like are you willing to travel there? Yeah, we've had people, when we talk about Lesia, we have people actually travel to go see you guys. You know who you are. Subscribers, come see Lesia. Yeah, she told us about you guys, so really excited about that. But yeah, if some people are willing to travel, not far, not too far, but because these people, they were in California, but they called Lesia and everything. They were willing to travel, not a long distance, but it wasn't like super close, but they still traveled to see her. But yeah, if you do find a salon and the travel is doable, I would say go for it. All right, next are forums and like Facebook groups. Online forums are big. There's a good one to follow is longhaircareforum.com. We're a member of that. And on Facebook, it's called Relaxed Hair Sisters Discussion Group. We're part of that one. But yeah, find some Facebook groups or online forums to join and just go ahead and ask the question like, hey, what salon do y'all go to or whatever, or where are you guys from? Just kind of ask that question and everything, because you'd be surprised where people are from. Everyone answers like pretty quickly and they're really cool. So just make sure the group is active first before you decide to join it. On Long Hair Care Forum, there is an actual thread about Stylist. I'm a member on that forum. I think I am. I haven't been up there in a while. But yeah, there's an actual thread, a Stylist thread, and they'll be like, hey, stylists in DC or whatever, then shout out your salon or whatever, shout out where you go to. Oh yeah, and stuff like that. Go check that out, thread for that. Yeah, we'll have those two linked below as well. So yeah, just turn to Facebook, those forums and everything. A lot of people don't use forums anymore. I feel like it's like an early 2000s thing and stuff, like a chat room. But yeah, it's like one of those hidden secrets that you should definitely try. All right, so the next hack is Groupon, and Groupon is kind of slept on a little bit. Yeah, it is. Lesia puts her services on Groupon, and when we first found out about Lesia, we actually used it. But Groupon is great if you want to get this, like the feel of the salon before you pay full price for a service. So yeah, you just put in your location, and then you click on the local tab, and then you go to beauty and spas, and then click hair, and a lot of salon services come up. Groupon is definitely worth a try because they are location based, when you put your location in and stuff. So yeah, they are worth a shot. And next tip or hack is with Drybar. If you guys don't know what Drybar is, we actually went to Drybar a couple of times when Lesia was out with her ankle injury. And it's just pretty much a salon with a whole bunch of stylists that give blowouts. They don't do like the bells and whistles. Yeah, the bells and whistles and everything. They're just pretty much blowouts and everything. Wash, blow dry, flat iron, then maybe like a curly style or something like that, and that's it. That's pretty much what we get done to our hair anyway, just blowout. So it was fine going to them, but they aren't located just in California. They're actually everywhere. They expanded to so many different states and they keep expanding. But here's a tip that you can do with them. You do have to book online. When you go online, there's a part that says notes, and this is what I have to do all the time. I usually put in, I have black textured hair. Please find me a stylist that can do it. That's why it's something to that nature. I mean, it's not hard to mess up a blowout, but I just want somebody that just knows texture hair, how to care for the hair, especially when it's wet and stuff, tangling and stuff. You don't have to be yanking my hair out and stuff and everything. So yeah, so I usually put that in the notes. That's one hack you can do. And then usually they'll give you someone, like I said, you'll get someone that's pretty good with hair. All of them are actually pretty good with black people's hair. So I've never come across anyone that's been a little odd with my hair. Just one person though, but it wasn't even bad. I feel like the one person I had was, they acted like I was tender-headed. Exactly. Like, they weren't too I need somebody that's a little bit rough with my hair, but just there's some balance and stuff. But when you do find someone that's good, you can't ask them if they have a business card and stuff. This is what we did. Sometimes they'll have a business card, sometimes they won't. Or you can do what Erica did. If you find someone that's really good with your hair, just request them. So what you do is you request them before you book the appointment. You call up and then you ask, hey, is so-and-so working on these days, or when is so-and-so working? And they'll tell you, and you can actually book over the phone, and they'll give you the confirmation through email. So yeah, that's only if you have a request, you can book over the phone. And then another hack to remember is a lot of these stylists, Drybar is their side job. They actually have maybe like a main salon or their independent service that they do styling, on their own. So you could ask them, hey, they have a business card. Sometimes they do have a business card and they'll give it to you. So you can just go directly to them at their main salon or you don't have to worry about booking through Drybar or anything. You can give them a call directly and you may find your stylist for the next 5 years or something like that. Like we have. Yeah, those are like a couple hacks that you can do with Drybar that we found out that actually works. Alright guys, so that's all for our video. Hope you liked it, and I hope you guys try it and that they work. And I hope you find a stylist that you like and love and are obsessed with and keep going back to them. Yeah, and you don't have to like go all the time. I know a lot of people are like, well, I can't go to a stylist all the time. Really, we only go once a month because you know we only wash our hair once a month. But like I said, if your hair needs like that extra, you know, some extra holy hands, it's good to have somebody that you can call and everything. Yeah, and who knows your hair and who's, you know, very well versed in hair and all that stuff. So we hope you guys can find someone. I really like that y'all asked us many times because it inspired this video and everything. So, and if you have any tips as well that we didn't put in the video, please let us know down below, because you're helping us and you're helping your fellow commenters as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and we'll see you guys on next Sunday. Bye!